Sony MCH V13 review all-in-one party machine by Time Gideon November 25, 2020. The bottom line: the Sony MCH V13 is a massive Bluetooth speaker with a ton of power and a long list of features that makes it feel suit for parties. Pros: powerful bass forward sound signature, bullet in LED lights, tons of additional features including a CD player, FM radio, Goiter inputs, karaoke mode, and more. Cons: not for those seeking accurate audio, unwieldy size. Sony MHC V13 specs: channels 2 Bluetooth and Wi-Fi not. No one will ever accuse Sony's MHC V13 of not having enough features. At $249.99 is it's not merely massive Bluetooth speaker, it's also a karaoke system with bullet in LED lighting and for some reasons a CD player. Oh, I also a Goiter amp and FM radio and it features DJ control and vocal effects. Sonically, the MHC V13 delivers powerful audio with deep bass presence and notably right high, all of which can be adjusted using onboard EQ. There's a lot going on her phrase too much, but at its core, this is a fun, powerful speaker with LED lights and a mic input for parties for a day when parties happen again. A speaker of all trades, measuring Rule 23.6 by 13.1 by 11.9 inches HWD and nearly 18 pounds. The MHC V13 is a behemoth of a speakers. Thankfully, there's a bullet in handle for carrying it around, but to be clear, this isn't portable speaker that can run on a battery. It need to be plugged in. Furthermore, it has no water resistant water over, so you'll want to be careful using it outdoor. The upper portion of the head speaker houses the left and right 2-inch horn style tweeters are displayed between the two tweeters offers digital readouts of what sound source is connected. The 8-inch woofer is centrally located and due in part to the LEDs that shine on it. The central visual focus of the system, the speakers deliver a frequency range of 26 Hz to 20 kHz. The controls on the top panel are extensive. This isn't system trying to keep things simple. A function button allows you to switch between the various possible sound sources surrounding this button in a sort of seeming circle lining the CD tray. Our buttons labeled Fista, a sound effect that attempts to recreate the sonic of a party hall with limited success. Sound fields, various EQ presets, megabass, self-explanatory, Bluetooth for pairing, flanger, which applies of comb filter effect to audio. Isolator, this run all audio through a filter that seems to kill most bass and focus on treble and DJ off. The Feastable app described below has various DJ effects you can apply to the audio. Up front, there's power button as well as button buttons for play, stop, tuning the radio and volume. There's also a button for the LED light. Pressing it switches between various models of turns it off. Finally, there are buttons labeled voice changer. This applies various effects of the mic signal. Wireless party chain. You can group multiple speakers together or two as a stereo pair.